Everyone able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yesterday we discussed, right? File operation, generate and test verification point and image verification point. So everyone done practice? Hello?
Yes, Kiran, done.
Okay. Kiran, you can mute one and you can.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Kiran.
Okay.
So
Okay,
yesterday
Kiran.
class,
Done.
so no doubts, right?
Yeah. Practiced also, no problem. Directly
Yeah.
executed.
So now scripting enhancements almost is completed. Okay. So now we have pending only some LR functions, web functions, and recording options we have pending. Okay. So now going to the like LR functions. So LR function nothing but so LR start transaction, LR end transaction, LR think time. What you are seeing in our script, right? That all will be LR functions. You can see LR start transaction, end transaction. Which purpose we can use LR start and end transaction? Which purpose? Hello?
Launching purpose.
Sorry. Which purpose we can use?
Launching.
Login launch purpose. Huh? Only login
So
launch purpose?
whatever the instructions we are giving, that purpose.
No, that is wrong. What is that? Hello, what is start and end transaction? Manish?
Sir, basically starting the script.
Starting the script.
User
What?
unity, user end.
Starting point,
Start
one
transaction
person.
is starting point. If you are not given LR start end transaction, you will get for the response time of the transaction. So LR start end transaction we can use from the to measure the transaction response time point of view. We are giving for the LR start and end transaction. Got it?
Those automatically will come, right, Kiran?
Yes, when you are given the recording time, when you are given, right, that time it will come for the start transaction and transaction. You are giving for the launch, you are starting here and you are ending from the here. So here to here, the code, how much time it is taking, it is calculated from the this start and end transaction. To measure that particular transaction response time, we are using for the LR start transaction and end transaction. Okay, LR start transaction, launch URL, nothing but what is the URL name, like what is the transaction name you are giving, you can pass that one. And LR end transaction, nothing but, so you can observe here LR end transaction, LR, this is the transaction name. And here we have the LR auto. What is the LR auto? Nothing but if it is a LR pass or fail condition. So if it is pass, it is thrown as a launch transaction is passed. If it is failed, launch URL is failed. So that is why we are giving for the end transaction is LR auto. And LR think time will be there. What is the LR think time? What is the LR think time? Hello?
This is a response time.
No. Hello? So LR think time already we discussed, right? Think time nothing but so like action to action, like transaction in between, we are getting from the some delay. So when you are recording, right, some delay it will be happen from the as a user. Actually, manually when you are entering from the username, password, these all things. After that you are ending, and after that again you are start transaction. In between it will be some delay. It is happen as the action to action or transaction. Some delay between the action to action transaction. We can call it as a LR think time. That is also one of the LR function. And apart from this, we are seeing anything in our script only. I'm showing everything. You can observe one more we are seen from the yesterday. LR eval string. What is the LR eval string? We want to read the particular value, we can use from the LR eval string. We want to read the value, then we can use for the LR eval string. And LR output message will be there. What is the LR output message? To display the as output what you are expecting from the output. So you want to give that it is display point of view we are using for the LR output message. And we can observe any other things will be there, not there. And LR save string. What is the LR save string? Nothing but so like you want to save the as a load runner variable, we can use for the LR save string. So, and we have one more function also, LR parameter random. So, LR parameter random, which purpose we can use means, we want to capture the randomly, then we are using for the LR parameter random function. So, in our script only, we are seeing for the this all things. So, just interview question, they will ask for the, do you know for the LR functions? They will ask LR start transaction what, LR think time what, okay, what is the LR save string, LR eval string, LR output message. Okay, so you should be know for this all. Otherwise, they will ask for the any 5 LR function, please tell me. So what you know, you can tell me. Then they will ask for the answer also, you can give. Okay. So apart from this, we can see for the max number of also we have. Step toolbox. And you can go here. We have the this all LR abort will be there. Abort nothing but so for example, you are given for the after about this abort. Abort nothing but it will abort from the up to here only. After that, your script will be not execute. Till the end, it will not execute. If you give from the here, that is the LR abort. LR continue on error. So which purpose we can use means, for example, it is failing here, but you want to continue your test. So you can give from the LR continue on error, then your script will be pass. And we have the LR debug message. We want to debug point of we can use for the LR debug message. LR error message means you want to display for the any error, you can give from the LR error message. And LR exit. So what is the difference between LR abort, LR exit is an important question. LR abort means particular what is the operation, like what is the request will be there, it will abort. Exit nothing but it will execute for the end of the iteration and it will be stop the your execution. That is the LR exit. So we have the many functions, but you can what you know you can just keep it in your mind. Okay, no need from the all. Okay, so I think LR point of view this is fine. Okay, now what we discussed, LR save string, all thing we can discuss, right? LR save timestamp also will be there. You want to save the particular timestamp, you can use from the LR save timestamp also we can use. And one more thing, LR reduces. So what is the reduces? Nothing but so just we can give here. I can give you the reduces name is a some okay. Some payment something I given. Say LR reduces payment. So means what is the LR reduces? Nothing but see, for example, we are everyone getting salary. So what will happen? Everyone at a time will get. How you will get means, so it is the payment section. All users will be stop it And once they will run from the one batch nothing but number of files they will execute. So at a time, everyone get from the salary. That is why when we are checking, right, I got salary just now, I got salary, everyone is telling. So means the reduces point nothing but it is a point to instruct the users wait for the certain point and it execute for the as a subsequently. So at that point we can use for the LR reduces point. Okay, and LR save string already we seen LR save time, and we have
Please
the
repeat, sir. This. Hello.
sorry.
Please repeat. Please repeat, sir. Randages.
See, for example, as an employee, will get salaries, right?
Okay.
So at that time, what will happen? If you not given any delay from this randages, we are giving some 20 seconds or some 60 seconds we are given. Then what will happen? All users will be execute and all users will be wait from the here until all users will be arrive. Like you are executing 20 users will be come here and it will wait for the 16 second. After that, all users will be execute and you will get from the salary.
Okay.
Like it is a waiting point, one of the waiting point.
Yes, yes. Wait, sir. 60 seconds.
Yes, if you give for 60, it will wait for the 60.
60. Okay.
Okay. So that is the reduces point. So very
Okay.
important question from the interview point of view. So those are will be LR functions. And simply we have the web functions also we have. So we can discuss first in our script what we used. So web set max html param length function. Which purpose we can use web set max html param length function? Like as a like correlation, some variable, it is a more than 256 bytes characters it happen, your script will throw an error. So you don't want to throw on that kind of error. We need to write for the website max html param length function and we need to assign for the number of bytes. That is the website max html param length function. And apart from this, what we'll have, we can discuss. Okay. First, we'll see the in our script only. After that, we'll go from the step toolbox. Okay. Now can observe web break save param ex. So what is the web break save param ex? To handle the dynamic value point of view, we are using as a correlation function is web break save param ex, and web break save param also one of the function, and web break save param reg exp. So these all will be to handle the dynamic value point of we are using. Those are the web functions, and apart from this, web URL. This is also one of the web URL function. What is the web URL? Like when you are clicking something, then it is generated as a web URL function. And next will be web submit data. Website socket option also we have. So we have the some SSL versions will be there. Each and every application will be some SSL version will be there. So we can give from the this kind of SSL version and the auto. Then what will happen is in this auto nothing but it is a TLS 1.0, 1.2 or SSL 1/3, whatever may be. Automatically it will handle that socket option. That is also one of the web function. And apart from this, web image check. Web image check to verification point of view or validation point of view we are using for the web image check. Like image wise we are verification we are. Web break find. Web break find is a text verification point. To validate from the our script, we are using for the web break find. Using for the verification as a text, we are verifying the web break find. And web submit data. What is the web submit data? Web submit data nothing but it will submit the data in the form of item data. Like what is the data you are submitting to the application, that data is displayed in that function web submit data. Okay. And apart from this, we have any other things? We'll check here. Web break save param ex, and we already discussed. Web URL we are already discussed. And web submit data already we discussed. I think in our script, that only. Okay, as of now, we are using this all. Okay, so at least what we are using in our script, right? You should be know for the LR functions and web functions. So as of now, we are know for this. If you want more means also, you can go to the view step toolbox. You can type web underscore. Then this all will be web functions. We have the website header. You want to handle the header, you can use for the web save header and website certificate. Website certificate means like sometime will be some as a credential leave you want to certificate issue will come, we can write from the website certificate. And website manager term permanent we already discussed. And website proxy, so you want to proxy also, you want to decide like particular this URL only work from the this point of view, so you can use for the proxy also we can do. And see, you can observe here web convert param. So web convert param function either convert HTML to text or plain to URL. Okay, and you can double click it, you are able to see the so how to we can write also we can see if you which function you want, you can give that. Like you want to convert as HTML to URL to HTML plain to text, you can use for the web convert param. And apart from this, so this will be fine as of now for our functions. So now just we'll discuss. So what are the LR functions? What are the web functions? What we know, you can tell me. Just now we discussed, right? Babu, as of now, what are the LR functions we discussed? In script also it is showing. Babu, are you there? Babu?
Sir,
Yeah, what are
sir,
the LR functions we discussed? You are able to seeing a screen, Babu?
yes, seeing, sir.
Yeah, there also it is showing, right? What are the LR functions?
Seller,
Just now I told, right? You can tell one or two. You're listening class or not? You're listening
really,
music.
sir.
Then I told from the lot of and like in our screen also it is displaying what are the LR function also. But you are not telling. Huh? Sorry? Hello?
Sir, hello.
Yes. What are the LR functions? Kiran?
Hello.
Yeah, what are the LR functions we discussed?
LR start, LR end transactions.
Okay.
LR start start and ending.
Okay.
LR think time we discussed. LR transaction we discussed.
Okay.
LR end transactions we discussed.
Okay. So as of now, we discussed like LR start transaction, end transaction, LR think time, LR save string, LR eval string, LR output message. Okay. And apart from this, we can discuss from the lot of things. So just what we are in our script, just you can understand like LR and religious point also we discussed. So Babu, you are not hearing. In script also it is showing also you are not telling answer.
Not seeing,
Where is your mind, Babu?
listening.
Which one? Music or TV you are watching? Okay, so web functions. Manish, what are the web functions we discussed?
Sir, wave dot save dot param,
Okay.
wave dot and chatmax html dot param dot lan,
Okay.
because byte is mode 256, then apply.
Okay.
And wave dot url, wave
Okay.
dot res dot sep dot param
Web dot name, web underscore.
underscore. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So that's it. So just when you are listening class, right? Just I asked for the one or two only. Okay. So web functions, we are discussed website message temporum length, web break separum, web break separum ex, and reg exp, and web URL and web submit data, web image check, and web break find. So these all will be functions. Based on for the your requirement, you can use from the which function you want, you can use. Okay. So now we can move to the recording options. So recording option, these are the recording options. We have the general in that recording. So in the recording, we have the two modes, HTML mode and URL mode. HTML mode, nothing but you want to record the user actions only, you can record the like using for the HTML, you can go. And URL based nothing but when you want to record the user like action based and you want to generate as a server side also you want to capture, you can use from the URL mode. And what is the major difference means when you are record HTML mode, it will generate from the less dynamic values. So when you are record as a URL mode, you will get from the number of dynamic value, like use dynamic value you will get. So in the HTML board, we can see this web URL and web submit data, web submit form, and record within the current step. This all will be there. Okay. So in the URL mode, if you record URL mode, you can get from the use web custom request. Then only you will get from the this function and along with the web URL you can get. So this time what you can do means you can try with the URL mode also and record how the script is generating and what values you are identifying, correlation values you can identify and do the scripting also. Same way you can do. Okay. In scripting nothing but this is the just options. Which option you want you can select. Already these all will be fixed options from the generate and transaction process. And the protocol nothing but which protocol you are selected, that protocol it will be there. Like you want to from the web HTML, you want from the web services. So you can select which protocol you are selected, that protocol it will be displayed here. And configurations nothing but we have the some correlation rules will be there. So when you are going to the design studio, you are click for that, right? Your dynamic value is displaying. How it is display means you need to check for this. Automatically correlate value found and rules scan and record scan, replay scan. So if you check this only, you are able to see that in the design studio. And this is the record and replay scan configurations. You can observe here which function you want to generate it. You can select that function, regex, PR or whatever maybe you can select. And here you can observe and scan for difference between snapshot using HTML or text it is asking. So we can always HTML only. And rules already we know, we can create the new application and create the in that new application new rule, and there we can give from the start transaction, end transaction, left boundary, right boundary, and all things. And if you want import, you can import. You want export, you can export. And advanced. So advanced, we have the options. So we can observe. So when you are recording the script, definitely you need to check this. If you not check, it will not generate from the break find function. So that is why you should be check this option. And apart from this, when you are recording the script, right, I can check from the like headers also. You want headers, you can enable the record headers in the list. What are the headers you want? You can check this and it is headers also, it will record it when you are recording. And mapping and filter. So already we discussed, we have the socket, VNet level and both also. So all web application, we can select a socket. All Windows application, we can select. Sometimes you are unable to recording, you can try with the both also. And we have the options also. Here socket level options will have SSL 2x3, 2x.x, 3.x, and TLS 1.0, 1.2. So which one you want, you can select that one as per your application. And this is the code generation. So these are the recording options. So why I am explaining this, right? If you are really worked on experienced guy means you should be know the each and every option and what will be there in that advance also they will know. So that is why interview question also they will ask recording options could you explain. In the recording options we have the HTML mode, URL mode. And what is the difference between HTML mode, URL mode? You need to explain. And they will ask from the how to create the rule, how to export the rule. They will ask. You can explain this. And advanced means like you can give from the advanced what are the options we have headers and contents we need to check. And mapping and filter. Which purpose we can use mapping and filter means we have the mapping and filter. We have the three types socket, minet, and both also. And options we have socket option. So this type of you need to give for the answers. Very important. So each option which purpose you can use and you can know also and you need to explain for the interviewer also. So and you can try with the recording when you are recording as of now you record HTML only, right? You can try with the URL mode and do for the scripting same way. There is no difference. What is the difference? Nothing but some functions will be generated, different functions, and you will get from the use number of dynamic values you will get from the when you are record as a URL mode. So we have the two sites we have, right? Like we have Pet Store and Web Tour. So you can try both and you can do for the scripting also. That is the today assignment. So anyone have any doubt regarding this as of now? Hello?
Hello. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. URL based script
Yes.
applies, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
you can try this. You
try
can
this.
when you
Okay.
are recording, right? You can check this and you can click on OK and you can record.
Okay. Okay.
And after that, scripting enhancements will be same. Correlation, parameterization, and validation points.
Okay. Okay.
So I think already I explained for the blacks also, right? So for example, we need to add one more action means we can add also here also. Can give it as a some cancel ticket booking. So this is okay space. Okay. Now we can observe it is the cancel booking and we can change this is the ticket booking. Okay. Two scenarios we have. So we are recorded like this exam and what is that ticket booking? This is the ticket booking. So the ticket booking code will be there here. Okay. Space I don't give. Ticket booking. Okay. Now this is the ticket booking. This is the cancel. Okay. Now you want to this ticket booking you need to happen from the 30 tickets. Cancel only you want to cancel 10 tickets. So if you execute like this, you are able to do for that scenario. So example you can observe. So you are giving for the 20 times ticket booking or 50 okay net zoom and run logic you are given from the 10 iteration. Okay, 10 tickets only you are booking. So I want cancel 5 times only. It is possible here. If you give for the this entire it will applicable, right? Ticket booking it is the 10 tickets will be booked and 10 tickets will be cancelled. But I want for the not that scenario. I want from the cancel is I want only 5 tickets I want cancel. So at that time we need to create from the blacks. Okay, how do we can create means come to the run logic. You can observe here. We can right button click on here. Insert black. Okay, and you can insert two blacks because we want from the ticket booking cancel, right? You can two blacks you can insert, and after that again insert action, and first what ticket booking. Ticket booking and second black what insert action cancel ticket. Then you can remove from the this ticket booking because that will be no need because we are added in the blacks, so you can remove this. Now this black you want how many times you can give. You can give from the here one, then what will happen means 1 into this it is happen from the like you can give. Otherwise if you give from the this I want only 5 tickets, so it is only execute from the 5, and ticket booking is happen from the 10. So you need to create from the like this, depends on the situation. You need to create from the blacks, and how many iterations you want you can provide from here. So here 1 into 10 means only 10 it is displayed. Okay, so here 5 means we are giving for the 5. Clear? Hello? Hello? This is the blacks concept. When you're recording also, you can give from the different actions, ticket booking and cancel booking. You can record from the 2 scenarios in the at a time. And after that, you can do for the scripting enhancements. Clear?
Okay.
You can give from the here 1 only. You can give from the here. Then 10 times means you can give from the 10. 1 into 10, 10 times. 5 into 1, 5 times. Okay. So that's it today class. Do you have any doubts regarding this? Today we are explaining LR functions, web functions, and as them to the blacks and recording options. So almost we are completed scripting. We have the one more protocol we have, web services. Tomorrow class we can discuss web services class. Okay. Thank you for joining, and we'll meet for tomorrow and we'll continue our classes. Thank you. Hello?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.